green gram coconut stew or moong dal, nariyal masala or Cheru Payar, Thenga curry. A very delicious and easy protein rich side dish which can be made easily at home. Today we are going to make green gram coconut stew or moong dal nariyal masala or Cheru Payar Thenga curry. The ingredients are 10 to 12 shallots cut into pieces, 1 green chilli, 50 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into small pieces, and 3 to 4 red chillies. The next ingredient is 150 grams of moong dal, 1 cup of coconut milk taken from freshly grated coconut, dissolved in water and squeezed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallot. Put in the garlic and the green chili. Saute thoroughly. Saute thoroughly until the shallots are golden brown. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the tomatoes and the red chili. Put in the cheese. And salt. This is the green gram with skin. This green gram is good for, as it is full of vitamins and protein rich meal. Saute nicely. pour in 400 ml of water. Mix. Put in high flame. Stir and mix all the ingredients in the water. Keep on stirring. So that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Squash the tomatoes. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture boil. Close and cook for 20 minutes. Now open and pour in while stirring. Pour in 400 ml of warm water. Mix and crush and mix again. Keep on mixing. If you are doing it in a cooker, you need not pour water again and again. You can just cook the whole mixture for 2 whistles and then do the other steps. Keep on stirring and crushing the ingredients. So that they are very nicely mixed together. Now close and cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, open and stir occasionally in between so that the ingredients are nicely mixed, and crush the ingredients. And keep on stirring. This brings a uniformity in the mixture and all the ingredients will be assimilated into each other. Stir, and after stirring for some time, close and let it cook further. After 20 minutes, open. Put in salt Mix and pour in 200 ml of warm water. Mix thoroughly so that the water, the salt and all the other ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Keep on mixing and stirring. Close and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, open and pour in 100 ml of coconut milk squeezed out of freshly shredded coconut, mixed in water. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Let it boil. Now close and cook for another 5 minutes. Now the green gram coconut stew is ready. It is also called Moong dal Nariyal Masala. Now it can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final green gram coconut stew or Moong dal Nariyal Masala or Cheru Payar Thenga curry. A very delicious and protein rich side dish. Which is also easy to make. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. This is also good for integrity of the skin and prevention of mouth ulcers or ulcers in general.